Python Scapy import error. If I include following line in my Python source file, I get this error, which is true in console and idle, but not Eclipse. I am very much confused why this is happening. Can someone help me out?
I think there was a change in Scapy somewhere. I put the following code in my Scapy project so it remains compatible.
I think this may be a problem with your version. If you are using Scapy v1.x. Otherwise, with Scapy v2.x plus is the way to go. Hope that helps.
If Scapy is not installed in your system, then you can use this command to install Scapy. Sudo apt-get install python Scapy.
Delete any file named scapy.py.
Proton.